Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Saturday, March 16th, 2019. On the 15th, there was a large explosion from the Bezymianny volcano in Kamchatka, Russia, after a significant increase in activity over the past few days, which consisted of frequent avalanches from the lava dome and ongoing ash plumes. The aviation color code has been raised to red. Also on the 15th, there was a strong eruptive pulse from Mount Agung in Bali, Indonesia, ejecting a column of ash over 1 kilometer above the crater. Also on the 15th, there was a deep magnitude 6.8 earthquake in central Bolivia at a depth of 351 kilometers. Almost 3,000 people have been evacuated, 1 person died, and 2 are missing, as the worst flooding in more than 50 years devastated parts of the U.S. Midwest. Several dams were failing, and preparations were being made to shut down a nuclear power plant along the rising Missouri River in Nebraska. Fremont, Nebraska became completely cut off by floodwaters, and thousands of livestock have been left stranded. While weather conditions have currently eased, rivers throughout the Midwest and Great Plains will remain high through the weekend. A disturbing number of whales, dolphins, porpoises, and birds have died in the Atlantic alone in the first quarter of 2019. It is estimated that over 600 dolphins have already washed up dead this year, with many more at the bottom of the ocean or washed out to sea rather than ending up on the beaches. From January of 2016 to mid-February of 2019, the NOAA recorded 88 humpback whale strandings. Those numbers are more than double the number of deaths between 2013 and 2016. This increase prompted the NOAA to declare an unusual mortality event in April of 2017, and nearly 2 years later, the declaration still stands. Scientists are also scrambling to understand the sudden death of an estimated 20,000 guillemots off the Dutch coast. Hundreds have been washing up on the country's shoreline, and thousands more have died out at sea. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.